If you run a business on Facebook or Instagram, Facebook Business Manager is one of the most important tools you should know about. Designed for businesses, advertisers, and agencies, Business Manager helps you manage multiple pages, ad accounts, and team members in one centralized platform. Instead of juggling different logins or sharing page credentials, Business Manager allows you to securely control who has access to your assets and what they can do. At its core, Business Manager gives you granular control over accounts and permissions. You can assign roles such as admin, editor, advertiser, or analyst, making it easy to collaborate with employees or freelancers while keeping sensitive data secure. This level of control is particularly useful for agencies managing multiple clients or businesses with several social media profiles. Another key feature is centralized ad management. Business Manager connects seamlessly with Meta Ads Manager, so you can run campaigns, monitor performance, set budgets, and adjust targeting, all from a single dashboard. You can track results across multiple ad accounts, analyze performance metrics, and optimize campaigns for better results. Business Manager also simplifies asset management. From pages to Instagram accounts, pixels, and catalogs, you can keep all your business assets organized in one place. This makes it easier to grant access, assign responsibilities, and maintain control over your online presence. It also ensures that your team has the right permissions without giving full access to sensitive business information. Another advantage is collaboration and security. Business Manager allows multiple users to work together efficiently while protecting your accounts. You can remove access quickly if someone leaves your team or revoke permissions for specific assets, helping prevent unauthorized changes or security risks. Overall, Facebook Business Manager is ideal for anyone who wants more control, organization, and oversight over their business accounts and advertising efforts. It may feel a bit complex at first, but once set up, it streamlines management, improves security, and makes scaling campaigns across multiple accounts much easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Facebook Business Manager and how it can simplify managing your business online, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips and digital marketing insights. Comment below and let me know how you currently manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Do you use Business Manager or another tool? See you in the next video.